Hey guys, it's been a while since we've had some tea time with JustaBXmom. I'm kind of cheating today. I'm drinking some iced coffee instead of tea. Don't tell nobody. Let me know in the comments what you are having. For my iced coffee, I picked up a big bottle of vanilla iced coffee from Dunkin' Donuts at Target, mixed it with some oat milk and a little bit of hazelnut creamer. Okay, so I am here to talk about June celebrations because it's my birthday month. Yay! Go me, it's my birthday. And this birthday, like for anybody that's been celebrating the past couple of months, is a little bit different than others. I'm not really planning anything in person. I'm not planning on seeing friends. I'm not planning on dinner, nothing like that. Even with social distancing letting up a little bit and things opening up, I am paranoid and I want to stay safe and I want to keep those that I love safe, so I'm not planning anything in person. So I've been thinking about like out the box ways to celebrate, out the box ways to acknowledge people and share love for other celebrations, be it birthdays, graduations, Father's Day, Flag Day, whatever you feel like celebrating, because we do need to celebrate life right now and remember the joy and love and share the love when we can. I've been looking at different ways that we can do that. One of the really fun ways I am here to unbox with you today is gift baskets, gift crates, gift sets from gourmetgiftbaskets.com, and I'm sharing the cards with you because I think that this is a beautiful special touch that's included with every purchase, with every order. I ordered I requested two from the Father's Day collection to share with you because I want to have you guys think outside the box, outside the crate, and think about how sometimes the products that are marketed a certain way aren't always necessarily just for that demographic. So these I got in honor of my birthday, but they did come with Father's Day cards because I wanted you guys to be able to see what the Father's Day cards looked like. And this way I don't have to worry about going to the store to purchase Father's Day cards for Just a BX Grandpa. Don't tell him. There are two because I got two sets. One will be from me and one will be from Soko Styles, aka Just a BX Girl. So I thought that was a really nice touch. They come, I will show you. So this is how one of the boxes came. It's a smaller set, so it came in this little special box. It comes with the card attached under the mailing label. So I didn't want to show my mailing label. I would love for you guys to all send me gifts, but I don't need the internet to have my address. So you peel off the mailing label and the card is underneath and it has the message in it, etc., based on who purchased it. This one just says Happy Father's Day Gourmet Gift Basket. So Just a BX Girl will be able to write a special message inside. She'll be able to draw a picture, things like that. But you can also get them, put a note on it to whoever you're sending it to. Now, my second one came, my second one is heavy. My second one came in a big box. I am just paranoid from COVID-19, and even I know the chances of getting it through mail is very low. I disinfect everything, and it was just a regular big box, but it had the pretty packaging and the labeling so that you knew where it came from as well. So people will know that it's special, it's labeled fragile, so that it's protected. It comes with really good packaging inside, but I didn't want to have to unbox from the box because, like I said, it's heavy, and then you guys might see me struggle on camera. So we will start with the smaller one. So you get it, the label's here, you peel it off, you get your card, and inside is, ready to see what I got? Dun, dun, dun. Can you guys see my bagels? We eat so many bagels in this house. So when I saw that they had a bagel box, I was super excited. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 bagels. All kinds of spreads. We have these. This is an apricot spread. We have a bunch of different flavor spreads. Grape, berries, strawberry. And in here, sealed away so that it stays nice and cool, is the cream cheese, because you can't have a bagel without cream cheese. And it came with ice packs so that it will stay cool. You can pop them right into the refrigerator once you open it. So we love bagels. We are pretty much into all types of bagels, which is really surprising because Just a BX Girl usually likes everything plain, but her favorite bagel is an everything bagel. So this is exciting because it comes with some everything bagels, it comes with some sesame bagels, it comes with some cinnamon raisin bagels, and it comes with some plain bagels. So we will have breakfast and snacks for a few days here. Also this weekend is JustaBX grandpa's birthday, so we can make him breakfast, and JustaBX girl can make him breakfast out of my bagel box without me having to get up. She can grab one of these bagels by herself. She can add some Nutella in it because we always have Nutella, and she's realized lately that she likes Nutella. So the fun thing is, this is, even though it's for me, my birthday gift is something that we can use as a family. It's something that is fun for all of us, and it's something that takes some stress off of me from having to worry about making everybody breakfast and snacks. So I am loving my bagel box. If you have a bagel lover, a bread lover, it's something really to think about. And it's really outside of the box, because who's gonna expect to get a box of bagels? You know, that's one of the things I thought was really, really fun about it. I was really excited about it when I saw it on the list of options. I think it's great. Check out the blog if you want more information, if you want the websites for gourmetgiftbaskets.com. I'm telling it to you, but if you want the link directly to it, check out the site. I'll have the really pretty pictures of it there. I just wanted to show off as I unbox them. Now this one is amazing. Like I said, it's a little heavy, so I'm trying to be careful with it. I also have scissors, because I've learned from unboxing with JustaBX Girl that you should always have scissors around, because otherwise you look crazy trying to open something, and apparently I don't know how to use scissors. So give me a second here. I'm trying to balance the box on my lap, and like I said, it weighs a little bit because this is wood. This is a little chest set, so we will be able to keep this and use this beyond what is inside, which I think is amazing. We're always looking for storage spaces, and it's beautiful. You can tell the quality in it already. It's a little crate. We love storage crates. I'm putting it again on the side for a second. Let me try to get it on the camera with me so that you can see. I'm sitting in front of one of my shelves. It has a slide open, and this is our candy and soda crate. So it has all types of fun. Pepsi, Sunkissed Orange, Coke, Sprite, root beer, ginger ale, Fanta grape, and a Mountain Dew. So something for everybody in there. It's like a party in a box. We have some smoked Gouda, a summer sausage, some cheddar, 2 packs of cheddar. We have some crackers. We have some Skittles, some M&Ms, Reese's, my favorite movie candy, Dots. I mean, who doesn't love Dots? And some peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. And the inside of the crate is a checkerboard or chest, but it comes with checker pieces inside, and they come in the plastic bag so that they don't get lost, but then you can just leave them in here if you want, and you can take it. I mean, we'll probably use this crate for picnics, to take it out when we go to Long Island. It's a nice way to store some stuff outside or in the house if you know you want to put other games in there. We're big on finding ways to store stuff, so we can store some card games in the crate once it's empty of candy and things like that. So this is something that we're going to get a lot of use out of, and I love gifts that have more than one purpose. So I'm really excited about this, and this is also a fun way to celebrate at home, since I can't celebrate with family or friends, and I'm a big game player. I've been notorious for having like Uno night birthday parties. Last year we did an escape room for my birthday. So I'm really big on like things that are interactive and stuff, and since I can't have that with my friends, at least I can have it with my family. So JustaBX girls learned how to play chess, so we could play chess on this piece. There's so much to do with this. I'm really loving this. I just think the look is perfect. This is great for somebody going off to college. A great little way to start them off with, you know, some snacks for college. Everybody needs some snacks for their room, as well as start them off with keeping them busy. Okay, I hope you guys like this. Check out the blog so you can find out more about what else is available from gourmetgiftbaskets.com, and I will see you soon.